Hey guys, it's Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how we transformed our outdoor patio from our storage and project space to a place that we were actually able to enjoy for the summer. The screen porch is actually one of the features that sold us on the house, but we've literally been using it as a storage area since we moved in. So we decided to go ahead and clear it off and actually use it as livable space. We started by putting together this 6-piece sectional, which we ordered online from Wayfair. I've been on my way up, and I'm gonna stay up like the Himalayas, climbing to the sun. Good job, babe. Look at that. Cushions. There it is. Came out okay. We did clear the patio off camera, and we are going to go ahead and clean it. Now, we do plan to repaint the patio a little bit later in the year when it's not so hot out. So right now my husband is just applying some soap. He'll go ahead and pressure wash everything that can come off, and we'll just address it later in the year. Now it's time to go ahead and start moving the patio furniture in. This was the most exciting part because it actually started to look like a space we could use. We had already kind of agreed in advance that we were going to just do this L shape for now. We'll probably go in and move it around a little bit in the future, but we do have another set of furniture that we're going to put together for the other side. So this would just give us the most use of the space without everything feeling extra crowded. Now these accent pillows we had at our old house on our front porch, and this is actually a palm tree that I picked up on clearance from Home Depot. Then we just jumped into putting together the second set of furniture, which is just 2 chairs and an accent table that we're going to go ahead and put on the other side of the patio. Both sets were fairly easy to put together. You actually really didn't even need a power drill. It just made the work go a lot faster. But we were able to follow the instructions with no issues. All the parts and pieces were there, and none of the pieces that we had were damaged, which are some of the issues that I read in some of the reviews online. The next day we came out and started to hang our lights. These lights were actually purchased from Home Depot. They are outdoor lights, and the bulbs themselves are plastic. That way we didn't have to worry about any glass shattering, since we do get a lot of heavy rain and high winds out here in Mississippi. We just used some screws that we had laying around the house for the wood. And when we got to the very last piece that needed to be attached, my husband went ahead and drilled a pilot hole in the mortar, and it held up fine. We haven't had any issues thus far. This was just the beginning of our patio makeover so that we could go ahead and use the space going into the summer. We do have some plans to add some additional decor, change out the ceiling fan, as well as hanging some outdoor curtains. Oh man, they look good. Lights are nice and warm. Look at that patio coming along. The ambiance.